Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to make a vegetarian Chinese recipe, that is gobi Manchurian. Before starting with the recipe, please guys subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And let's get started with the recipe. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे मैंने एक पैन में अपने गोभी को, that is cauliflower को बॉईल करने रख दिया था with a pinch of salt, like little bit of salt. इसको बॉईल कर लेंगे. यू डोंट हैव टू बॉईल टू मच, जस्ट गिव इट just one boil and that's it. That is, we are good to go with the recipe. One more thing I would like to tell you guys is ये गोभी को हाथ से तोड़ कर लेना है and not cut it with a knife, as इसके चंक्स अच्छा आना चाहिए, इसलिए बॉयल हो गया है. इसको मैंने स्ट्रेनर में डाल दिया है एंड देन आई एम गोइंग अहेड विद द मैरिनेशन पार्ट. यहाँ पे मैंने एक बड़े बोल में आई हैव टेकन अराउंड 3 tablespoon ऑफ ऑल पर्पज़ फ्लावर, यानी कि मैदा. उसके साथ यहाँ पे मैंने ले लिया है कॉर्नफ्लावर, अगेन 3 tablespoon. और फिर मैं इसमें ऐड करूँगी सॉल्ट एज़ पर टेस्ट. एज यू कैन सी, ये है सॉल्ट एज़ पर टेस्ट. एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू गो अहेड एंड गिव इट अ गुड मिक्स. After this is mixed well, I'm going to add water to this in increments. I have used around 3/4 cup of water so that I get the desired consistency. I'm adding water in increments as I don't want any lumps in my batter. So once this is done, we're going to add in our cauliflower. The consistency should be something like this. We're going to go ahead and add the cauliflower to this. I'm going to just mix it with my hand after adding the cauliflower so that ये अच्छे से mix हो जाए and इसमें कोई भी coating निकले ना, and while frying it turns out to be crispy. So I'm just going to give it a good mix with my hand. So I have put my oil on heat so that I can go ahead and fry this. आप देख सकते हैं कि this is nicely coated. So we are going to just go ahead and fry this, deep fry it in a wok or any pan of your wish. एक बार ये ऑयल गर्म होने के बाद I'm going to go ahead and add the cauliflower one by one. इसीलिए ताकि वो पूरा एक दूसरे में स्टिक ना हो जाए और easily अलग अलग अच्छे से फ्राई भी हो. You just have to fry it until it is slightly golden brown. That's it. After around 3 to 4 minutes, it has started turning golden brown, but not exactly जो मुझे चाहिए. So we are just going to wait for a while and let it turn into golden brown and fry rest of the cauliflower the same way. Let's go ahead and just have a look at the ingredients that we might need for the Manchurian. These are the ingredients that we need. There is garlic, red chili sauce, dark soy sauce, then there is vinegar, spring onion, then some onion, green chilies, the fried cauliflower and some curry leaves. So let's go ahead and move on to the Manchurian recipe now. In the same wok, I have taken around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and I'm adding my chopped garlic here. These were around 8 to 10 pods of garlic that were roughly chopped. I'm going to go ahead and add some curry leaves here. As you can see, this is nicely fried. I'm going to add 1 medium size of onion, यानी कि प्याज जो chopped है. Then I'm going to fry it. जब तक ये pinkish brown ना हो जाए तब तक इसको fry करेंगे. And इसके बाद हम इसमें अपने sauces add करेंगे. I'll be adding green chili in between. Like I have just cut it into big pieces. You can finely chop it and add it to the onions. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the black soy sauce first. Around 2 teaspoons of black soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce. If you don't have red chili sauce, you can add red chili powder and ketchup, but red chili sauce goes best. Then I'm going to add around 3 to 4 teaspoons of vinegar. Once all the sauces are in, make sure that you add in little bit of water here so that the sauces don't burn. So this is it. आप देख सकते हैं ये ग्रेवी का बेस ऑलमोस्ट रेडी हो चुका है. Then I'm going to add little water here ताकि मेरा सॉस जल ना जाए. एंड इसको सिमर होने के लिए थोड़ी देर के लिए छोड़ देंगे. Once it starts simmering, we are going to add salt as per taste, then around 1 teaspoonful of black pepper, matlab kali mirch powder, and 1 teaspoon of Ajinomoto namak यानी कि MSG. This is optional, if you want you can skip it. अब इसको सिमर होने के लिए मैंने छोड़ दिया है फॉर अ वाइल. थोड़ा सा पानी ऐड करेंगे so that we get the desired consistency, and I'm going to just leave it to simmer for around 2 to 3 minutes. In between, I'm going to add the chopped spring onions and just give it a good mix and let it simmer. Now I have to give it a gravy consistency. तो इसमें मैं ऐड करूँगी, यहाँ पे I have 1 teaspoon of corn flour or corn starch and I'm going to just add little bit of water to it. इसको पहले यहाँ पे अलग से मिक्स करके ही डालिए ताकि there is no lump. And then we're just going to go ahead and add this into my gravy intermittently. As you can see, I'm adding little and then I'm stirring it. ऐसे ही थोड़ा थोड़ा करके ही इसको ऐड करना है. So this is what we want. आपको अगर इसमें ग्रेवी ज़्यादा चाहिए, you can add more water. I like it with less gravy, so we are going to do that. This is the desired consistency and I want. I'm going to go ahead and add जो हमारा fried cauliflower है वो इसमें ऐड कर देंगे. बिकॉज कॉलीफ्लावर जैसे ही ऐड होगा द ग्रेवी विल थिकन. थोड़ा सा ग्रेवी और भी थिक हो जाएगी. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट थिकन इट फर्स्ट. आफ्टर एडिंग द कॉलीफ्लावर एंड द फ्राइड स्टफ दैट वी मेक फॉर द मंचूरियन, द ग्रेवी थिकन्स. So this is it. There goes the cauliflower. We are going to just mix it well, close the lid and cook it for like 1 minute and we are done. It's ready to serve, guys. Just add in some roughly chopped spring onions so that it gives a good look. And that's it, guys. This is done. I hope you like the recipe. Do try it. And this is like everybody is going to like this recipe, and kids tend to eat vegetables like this. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and hit the notification bell as well.